Yeah, and can I ask one more question?
Go for it.
During that conversation with Lee, I felt my own mind going like 3, 4, 5 different directions at once with things that were interesting, questions I wanted to ask. How do you know which one to go down?
Who noticed that as well? That's why I love that first demo. That's why we do it, because I want all of these things to come up naturally so we can explore them. This is how the 2 days is going to go. So the way you said it there is I always know what question to ask because I'm always looking for, or for lack of better words, I'm finding what's the question I either know I should ask that maybe nobody else is asking them. That's my unconscious mind saying, Scott, ask this question, which is thumbs up. Okay. Another one is I'm just getting really curious. I'm looking for conclusions and paradoxes. A conclusion and paradox is a client where they say, I want to quit smoking, but goddamn, I love this thing. That's a paradox. I want to change my life. I want to get hypnosis clients, but I'm too scared to do the marketing. That's a paradox. That's what I'm listening for. It's that paradox, the conclusion, clashing realities. It's all the same thing. And it's that thing I need to break. Okay. Does that make sense for now?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.